आजकल गाड़ियों से ज्यादा लोग स्मार्टफोन की स्पीड की बात करते हैं और ऐसा ही एक फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस डिवाइस भारतीय बाजार में भी लॉन्च हो गया है। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ द फुल ऑन स्पीडी सैमसंग गैलेक्सी F62 की, जिसकी चर्चा बहुत दिनों से हो रही है, बी इट फॉर इट्स पावरफुल प्रोसेसर और इट्स पावर पैक बैटरी कैपेसिटी। इनफैक्ट आप कह सकते हैं कि कुछ मामलों में दिस डिवाइस इज मेकिंग अ रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ सॉर्ट्स इन द सब 25,000 रुपीज प्राइस सेगमेंट, जिसकी वजह से आई एम एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटेड एंड रिलेटेड to be talking to Meghna, who is the online marketing manager for Samsung Galaxy F series. Hi Meghna.
Hi Pradeep.
So welcome to this 91 Mobiles AMS session. We have a lot of burning questions regarding the Samsung Galaxy F62. तो चलिए सवालों और जवाबों का ये सिलसिला शुरू करते हैं.
Glad to be here. शुरू करते हैं with all the questions and answers.
So Meghna, the first thing that I want to know is कि क्या है Samsung Galaxy F62 में ऐसा जिसकी वजह से सब इसको इतना फास्ट कह रहे हैं? Why is it being touted as the full-on speedy Samsung Galaxy F62?
Sure प्रतीक, मैं बताती हूँ कि इस फोन में ऐसा क्या है that we call it the hashtag full-on speedy Galaxy F62. So when we thought about this phone, हमने सोचा अपने target consumers के बारे में जो primarily हैं Gen Z और millennials. These guys live their life on the go. अब चाहे वो रोज़ की बात हो, चाहे वो काम ही क्यों ना हो, they have even made their careers out of social media. They're always on the internet. वो हमेशा अपने फ़ोन पे रहते हैं. If there are two things that are pivotal to their life, it is speed and resourcefulness. Well, on the other hand, at Samsung, we put our consumers first, and with the philosophy of making meaningful innovation, we try to make their lives a lot more simpler as much as possible. Marrying both of these concepts together, we created the Samsung Galaxy F62, जिसमें की है 7 nanometer Exynos 9825 प्रोसेसर, जो अभी तक सिर्फ Samsung के Note सीरीज, the flagship Note सीरीज में पाया जाता था, and we are giving you all of this at a price of 23,999 only. So we think we've given a winning proposition to our consumers. हमें लगता है कि इस सेगमेंट में वो अपना एक मार्क बनाएगा ये फ़ोन, and it will help our consumers break barriers and live their life full on.
So इस फोन को यूज करने के दौरान हमने ये नोटिस किया था कि जो Samsung Galaxy F62 के बेंचमार्क स्कोर्स हैं, they were significantly higher than the competitors. So इसका क्या रीजन है, एंड ऑल्सो आर वी गोइंग टू सी दिस परफॉर्मेंस, ये सेम परफॉर्मेंस क्या हमें डेली यूजेज में भी देखने को मिलेगी या हमें थोड़ा डिफरेंस मिलेगा?
So I'll tell you Prateek, the 7 nanometer Exynos 9825 processor is a very exciting offering in our Galaxy F62, and I say that because हमने industry leading benchmarks को measure किया, like you said as well, and for example the AnTuTu 8 score came out to be 452K plus, the Geekbench 5 score came out to be a 2400. So the 7 nanometer EUV technology makes a phone lightning speed, and if I were to go as per the Geekbench 5 and the GFX Pen 5 score, then our processor offers a 28% faster performance. Now if I have to translate all of that to you into how a layman can use this, एक मेरे और मेरे दोस्तों की तरह हम अपने रोज़ की लाइफ में इसको कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, then I'll give you a small example. Every morning I wake up to like a zillion notifications from WhatsApp, Instagram, Gmail, Skype. उसके साथ साथ मुझे सारी न्यूज़ भी देखनी होती है, सब कुछ करना होता है, ऑफिस जाने से पहले कैब भी साथ में बुक करते हुए. All this level of hyper multitasking is almost like a glide on the Samsung Galaxy S62. It is so smooth. This being one example. एक और example की बात करूँ तो for example all the heavy gaming apps that we use on our phones, my brother uses on his. All the heavy editing software that I and a lot of my friends use on my phone for videos and photographs, using all of that becomes extremely simple and smooth with this phone. So this is how all the exemplary scores that we get on the industry leading benchmarks actually translate into full-on speedy actions on your day-to-day life.
Okay Meghna, so हमारे जो यूजर्स हैं they are already very impressed with the Samsung Galaxy F62's performance, but जो उनको दूसरी चीज़ बहुत एक्साइटिंग लगी वो थी इसकी बैटरी कैपेसिटी. अब इन रियलिटी इस फ़ोन के साथ 7000 mAh की बैटरी आ रही है, which makes it Flipkart's biggest battery phone. बट क्या इतनी बड़ी बैटरी की हमें एक्चुअली ज़रूरत है?
You're absolutely right. Galaxy F62 comes with a massive 7000 mAh battery, जैसे कि आपने कहा, like you just mentioned. This battery is not just industry leading, it's the first and the only phone on Flipkart with a 7000 mAh battery. रोज की जिंदगी की बात करें, we talk about people like us, we are always glued to our phone, be it conferences, video calls, online classes, online gaming, online dating, online concerts, I can just go on and on. इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ बहुत मैंडेटरी हो जाता है कि फ़ोन की बैटरी बहुत पावरफुल हो, एंड हेंस कम्स इन माई 7000 mAh बैटरी ऑफ द Galaxy F62. And it's not just limited to that. Let me tell you, it also comes with a 7nm EUV technology, which I also mentioned earlier. It optimizes your battery to the hilt so much so that अगर आप 2 दिन तक भी इसे बहुत ruggedly use करें, फिर भी you will not want to look for a charger.
That's great.
That's how awesome this battery is.
Yep, it sure is. Yeah. Okay, Meghna. So the Samsung Galaxy F62, ये फ़ोन fast है, ये smooth है, and इसमें heating भी उतनी नहीं होती है. But the one thing that our users want to know is कि इसमें आपने कोई gaming centric features या gaming centric technologies डाली हैं जिससे gaming experience users का elevate हो जाए.
So we did, Prateek. So for gamers, the Galaxy F62 is a dream. It's a delight. To manage the heavy-duty action of the CPU, our flagship 7nm Exynos 9825 processor comes with an ultra-efficient Mali G76 GPU. Now this, when coupled with the highly efficient CPU, gives you an 85% faster gaming performance and a 31% higher frames per second.
And इसमें Android 11 based One UI Core 3.1 भी आता है, which I'm assuming आपने काफ़ी optimize कर रखा है to work well with the hardware.
That's correct, and this entire package is what makes this a gamer's delight and full-on speedy at that.
Okay, Meghna. So अब हम सबको बताएं कि why is the Samsung Galaxy F62 called full-on speedy? But मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि कैमरा वाइज इसमें आपने क्या innovations introduce किए हैं. So इसके कैमरा सेटअप के बारे में थोड़ा और बताइए.
Sure, Prateek. So up until now, if you thought that the Galaxy F62 is only power and performance and speed, you're in the wrong zone. कैमरा की हम बात करें तो इसमें एक 64 मेगापिक्सल क्वाड कैम का सेटअप देखने को मिलेगा. It's also going to come with a slew of other specifications which at this price point are going to be extremely rare. क्वाड कैम सेटअप के अंदर मैं अगर लेके जाऊँ और उसकी बात करूँ तो फिर इसमें प्राइमरी कैमरा है जो 64 मेगापिक्सल का है. It's got a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens with a 123 degree field of view, a 5 megapixel depth camera and a 5 megapixel macro lens. इन सब को लेके अगर आप पिक्चर्स खींचे then those are going to be as good as the ones that you take from a DSLR, if not better.
Interesting. Okay, Meghna. So Samsung Galaxy F62 के कैमरा सेटअप के बारे में आपने मुझे ऑलरेडी बता दिया है, बट क्या इसके कैमरा सेटअप में कुछ खास देखने को मिलेगा? कोई स्पेसिफिक फीचर्स जिसको आप हाईलाइट करना चाहते हैं फॉर यूजर्स?
Sure, actually there are quite a lot of them. So the show stealer 64 megapixel quad cam setup in the Galaxy F62, जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया था, comes with a slew of other specifications. One of which, and the primary one of which, is the single take feature, जो कि हमें एक ही क्लिक में 14 आउटपुट्स देता है with a combination of statics and videos. In terms of statics, what you can get with just one single press is a normal photo, a smart crop photo, a photo with a filter. In terms of videos, you can get your boomerang, your hyperlapse, the original video. You can get a gamut of outputs and up to 14 outputs. It's not just limited to that. जो फिल्टर आप इसमें यूज़ करते हैं वो आप कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हैं और अपनी फ़ोटो में लगा सकते हैं. Not just that, you can also save it for further and future use of the other pictures that you click. So I think that's super cool.
That is,
and
yeah.
I personally have been using it quite a lot in the devices that I have, in the F62 device that I have. Apart from single take, there's also this really nice feature called the Super Steady mode, which can allow you to take shake-free videos, whether you're cycling uphill, downhill, running. Preferably for travelers, for people who like to record on the go, it's a perfect solution. So you've got your single take, you've got your shake, super steady mode. There's a bunch of others. I'd like to tell you more about quick take and smart selfie. Quick take में क्या कर सकते हैं that you just need to press the shutter for a little while longer और वो immediately अपने आप फोटो की जगह वीडियो लेने लगता है.
Oh, okay.
That's super simple and that's super.
So you don't have to change the modes.
No, not at all. You just have to press the button for a little longer और वो फोटो की जगह वीडियो लेता है, and it comes in really handy at times when you really don't know whether you want to click a photo or you want to take a video. So that's one thing. Then the other one's a smart selfie. I go and hang out in huge groups, and then whenever I have to take a selfie, people are awkwardly coming into the frame.
Yeah.
So with smart selfie, what happens in the Galaxy F62 is that the front camera, as soon as there are more than 2 people, it auto-detects them and expands the field of view from 68 degrees to 80 degrees. And that allows a lot many more people to come into the selfie.
And this is all software, this is not without a secondary camera.
This is all software.
Interesting.
Yep.
Yep.
So I'd like to tell you about 2 more features here. The front and rear camera switch and the super slow motion. So in the front and rear camera switch, you can actually swap between the front and the rear lens while you're recording a video.
Oh, so no need to stop the footage.
Not at all.
Oh, wow.
Exactly. So that comes in super handy. The other thing is the super slow motion, which of course I really don't have to explain. It's a rage among the millennials and Gen Z these days. So yeah. So that's more or less about all the features, the slew of specifications that I've told you about. I spoke about the single take feature, the super steady mode, the quick take, the smart selfie, the front and rear camera flip, and the super slow motion.
So this सारे amazing camera centric features Samsung Galaxy F62 के साथ आते हैं, which ensures कि amateur photographer हो या एक professional photographer, they can all get a very good photo from the Samsung Galaxy F62.
Exactly, a superb one at that.
Yeah. Okay मेघना, so वैसे तो हमने Galaxy F62 के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ जान लिया है, but थोड़ी और चीज़ें बाकी हैं. So इसके प्रोसेसर, बैटरी और impressive cameras के अलावा क्या आप इसके डिस्प्ले के बारे में कुछ बता पाएंगी?
Sure, display is one of my favorite things to talk about. हमने हमेशा ही एक इंडस्ट्री लीडिंग डिस्प्ले ऑफर करा है विद ऑल द AMOLED screens and the super AMOLED screens that we put onto our phones. So Galaxy F62 only gets better. It's got a Infinity O display that enhances your viewing experience even more. And screen की बात करूँ तो इसमें 6.7 inch Super AMOLED Plus display है, which offers you superior quality viewing experience. और अगर कुछ numbers में डालूँ and I try to quantify it a little bit, then it's got a 110% color gamut.
Wow, that's
it's got a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, and it's got a 420 nits brightness level.
So it's bright enough कि outdoor usage में even under Delhi के harsh sunlight, it's not going to affect the users. Users आराम से फोन की स्क्रीन को देख पाएंगे, legible रहेगी.
Exactly that, and it's going to be a spectacular viewing experience.
Exactly. Alright. Okay, so hardware की हमने काफ़ी बात कर ली है, but what about the software on board the Samsung Galaxy F62? अब आज की डेट में privacy और security की काफ़ी चर्चा हो रही है, तो क्या Samsung Galaxy F62 के users को कोई special features मिलते हैं which enhances their security?
Absolutely not disappointing on that one. So F62 is the first ever F-series phone to be containing the Knox security. Knox security is a defense-grade security platform that has been developed by Samsung. We ourselves have gotten it made. इसके अलावा इसमें एक fingerprint sensor है जो side में आता है. It's got a fast face unlock to enhance the security aspect of it even better. And last but not the least, it's also got for the first time ever a Samsung Pay NFC integration, and that makes all your payments super secure and simple.
Interesting. Okay, so वैसे तो Samsung Galaxy F62 को कंपनी ऑलरेडी एक बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव प्राइस पॉइंट पर लॉन्च कर रही है, बट आई होल्ड इसके साथ और भी बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स अवेल कर सकते हैं यूजर्स, जैसे कि फ्लिपकार्ट का स्मार्ट अपग्रेड प्लान. सो कैन यू टॉक अबाउट दोस?
श्योर. सो लाइक यू ऑल्सो मैंशन, जैसे आपने बोला कि इस डिवाइस को परचेस करने के लिए हमने बहुत सारे ऑफर्स प्लान करके रखे हैं अपने कंज्यूमर्स के लिए. आई विल वॉक यू थ्रू सम ऑफ दोस. सो देयर इज ऑफ कोर्स द ऑप्शन ऑफ द EMI पेमेंट, जिसको यूज़ करके ये डिवाइस खरीदा जा सकता है. Then there is this brilliant offer by ICICI. You get 2,500 rupees cashback whenever you pay for the device using ICICI bank card. तो अगर आप ये डिवाइस ICICI बैंक कार्ड से खरीदोगे तो इसमें आपको 2,500 रुपीज़ का इंस्टेंट कैशबैक मिल सकता है.
Okay.
So that's one of our primary offers. इसके अलावा फ्लिपकार्ट स्मार्ट अपग्रेड प्रोग्राम है which we are very excited about. Within फ्लिपकार्ट स्मार्ट अपग्रेड प्रोग्राम आप ये डिवाइस के 70% वैल्यू पे खरीद सकते हो. एंड देन 1 year डाउन द लाइन यू गॉट टू चूज वन अमंग द 2 ऑप्शंस. या तो आप 30% और दे के वो डिवाइस पूरा खरीद लो, या तो फिर आप द लेटेस्ट गैलेक्सी स्मार्टफोन पे अपग्रेड कर लो.
Okay, so that makes it very convenient for the buyers, क्योंकि if they want the new phone, they can go for the new phone, or if they're happy With the Galaxy F62, they can just retain that.
Exactly, it spoils our consumers for choices, and that's what we're here for.
Okay.
So again, another thing. So this device is at 23,999 rupees. If you avail or if you buy it using the Flipkart Smart Upgrade program, you can get it only at 16,898 rupees.
Okay, that's very impressive. So, okay.
Let me stop you there. So it's not just that. If you add 2,500 of the ICICI Bank instant cashback to this price, you will get this device only at 14,398 rupees.
Wait a minute. So the F62, which comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, a 7000 mAh battery, and a flagship Exynos 9825 processor, you can get that for 14,398.
Exactly, precisely.
Wow. Okay, that. I need to wrap my head around that, but wow,
yeah,
insane offer.
That's the mind-blowing offer from our end. There is another mind-boggling and blowing offer. So, if you buy this device at a Reliance Digital or a MyJio store, तो आपको 10,000 rupees तक के benefits भी मिल सकते हैं. So that's the primary set of offers for our consumers whenever they go ahead and buy the brand new Galaxy F62 #PromoteSpeedy.
So there's something for everyone here.
Exactly.
Amazing.
And all of this is just the tip of the iceberg. We've got something for everybody.
Yeah, correct. Okay, Meghna, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. Thank you so much for joining us in this 91 Mobiles AMA session. आपने काफ़ी सारी amazing insights share की हैं about the full-on speedy Samsung Galaxy F62, including its insights on its flagship 7nm Exynos 9825 processor and its industry-leading 7000 mAh battery. I hope this session was as fun for you as it was for all of us.
It was absolute fun. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मजा आया, and I hope that my viewers, all of our viewers, you, everybody is as excited about this phone as I personally very evidently am.
Yeah, so on that note, अगर आपको Samsung Galaxy F62 से related कोई भी और query है, do let us know that in the comments below. And until next time, this is Prateek from 91 Mobiles signing off.